our client was just relying on a national grid, we as FineCorp Zambia Limited came in and supplied solar systems. Sorted out the issue of water. Whenever they want to do the irrigation at a specific given period of time, they are able to irrigate because of solar energy. So they are not depending full-time on a national grid. They have got their own supply now as solar energy. Behind me, there are solar panels and greenhouses around this area, which this system is supplying. Each greenhouse is about half hectare. So in total, there are 9, which is giving us about 4 hectares. And these solar panels, there are 32. Each solar panel is 455 volts. So in total, after doing the connections, it is giving us about 630 to 650 volts, which is able to energize a 15 kilowatt motor or 20 horsepower pump. So it is able to energize the pump, and the charge is starting as early as 0530 up to 1630. So between 0530 and 1630, all this period of time, we have more energy, and our client is able to do the irrigation at a specific given period of time. So he's able to irrigate each garden, or each greenhouse is receiving at least about a pressure of 3 to 4 bars. So our client is settled and our client is enjoying now. No more suffering because of national load shedding. Our client is sorted. So we are here to help you change the mode of supply in your farms. So let us go the solar way. This system is supporting both national grid and also solar energy. So there's nothing like, no, since we are going for the solar way, we do away with ZESCO. No, ZESCO will still remain as ZESCO, and this one is coming as a backup.